Let's create a reservation and add workplace services to it. Log in to the Employee Center portal. Select the new General Reservation Record Producer Form card option. On the Make a Reservation page, select the required reservable type, reservable module, location, start and end time to make a reservation. You can also add multiple buildings to your reservation. Select the Add Another Building option. This is an optional step. By default, the card view layout is selected. Select the Map button to view spaces in a map layout. The option to view spaces on a floor map layout is available when indoor mapping is installed and configured. The Schedule tab allows you to add spaces by viewing your spaces in a scheduled layout. Select a space and select Next button to proceed with your reservation. Add required information on the reservation details page. For example, you can select catering, equipment, space arrangement, and so on to your reservation. Select Submit Reservation to reserve the selected space. You have successfully created a reservation. You can update or modify your reservation, cancel it, or share it with your colleagues by selecting the Actions List menu option.